We do offer comfort items. We have warm blankets. We have some ergonomic type pillows that will fit the folds in your neck, or we can roll a blanket behind the small of the back. But we're especially my chairside assistant. She is so good at sensing if somebody would like something that we have that we can make it a little easier for them. Frequently people will watch TV or listen to music while they're having work done. We always have the nitrous oxide available. I'm licensed for conscious sedation. So if somebody's really fearful, in fact, as a new patient, if they come in and they're talking about, gosh, Rick, I'm a little afraid. Sometimes what we'll do is they'll say, hey, why don't we let you breathe the nitrous oxide for just a minute or two? It's a great tool because it's an inhalant, so it only works while it's in your lungs. Now, if there's somebody that's having an advanced procedure like wisdom teeth, we've got a guy that comes in, he does IV sedation, so they put a little IV in the back of their hand. When he comes in, the place looks like a hospital. He brings in his surgical nurse, and they have so much equipment in here, it looks like a hospital operatory. And once they put the IV in, the next thing you know, you're at home and somebody's looking after you. It's a great way to have advanced work done.